this far. How you doing, babe?
Doing good. I enjoyed the ride.
Is that fun?
Ride.
Just to prove I'm still alive.
We're still here.
But yeah, that was our trip coming in right through the little bay here. We were on what, boat 26. He's backing her out right now so other people can come in. Yeah. So yeah, pretty, isn't it? Very pretty. These are the kind of like the limestone walls that surround us. The underground river entrance right over there. Some workers, whoever those guys are. Yep. Okay, let's go take some pictures. So, this is the entrance, I guess, coming in. So it's just nothing more than like a little compound here. Got your hard hat, hon?
Yeah.
You all set to go? What's that hard hat for, you know? Rat turds? Not rat turds, bat turds.
Calling rats.
Bat turds.
Bat turds.
I said rat. We meant bats. Well, bats are basically rats, right? Flying rats, bats. Okay. Got my hard hat, ready to go. Ready to tackle any fallen debris that may occur during this trip. So. Hard hats. We are people with hard hats.
Alright, now this thing here, this is the plaque and recognition that was given to this underground river. Now, being part of the new 7 wonders of nature. So as you can see, the Puerto Princesa underground river is one of the new 7 wonders of nature. And once again, wonders of nature is different from wonders of the world. Wonders of the world, those are man-made. Wonders of nature, it's just nature itself, God's creation. And this place here, again, considered as the longest navigable underground river in the whole world. Now, as you can see, elected by the 2nd global voting campaign in the history of mankind. So it's more of like a popularity contest among all those UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site. And the ones that get more votes then become part of this wonder of nature thing. Now, other wonders of nature that is included on this wonder of nature, the 7 wonders, we do have the Halong Bay, the Jeju Island, the Komodo Island, the Iguazu Falls, Table Mountain, the Amazon River, and of course, ours truly, the underground river. Okay? So from here, we still got a couple of minutes walk towards our destination. If you do want to learn more about the place, about the information about the city, you can check this board over here. Okay? So let's
we're just taking a little walk through the forest, through the jungle, from the reception area. Yeah, we're gonna go find our jungle friends.
Monkeys, so please be careful with your belongings, no? Please do not leave your things unattended. Okay, sige po, picture kayo over there.
Check him out.
Alright, so yeah, you can go on that platform over there and take photos. That's not gonna be the business part.
What do you call that thing?
So
Monitor lizard.
Yeah, monitor lizard.
Bayawak in Tagalog. Careful, Han. Those
Vines all over the place. Hold on. There we go.
we're in underground water. I forgot.
Underground river?
Underground river, sorry. For
Yep.
that. So, we're just approaching the entrance for now.
Yep. We're just taking off right now. also do steel shots. Yeah, you know what?
Go first.
You can.
Is still recording? Okay. Thank you. Watch your hand.
Over here.
I said watch your hand. I'm the one who hit my hand.
Okay. Well, we're doing good so far. I think so. All right, we just grubbed out on a buffet lunch. That was part of the tour. And yeah, pretty full. Had a little bit of chicken adobo, some pancit, some lumpia Shanghai. What did you have, hon? Pancit. Okay, we just finished up buying some souvenirs. Vegetable, chop suey. But we can't show you what's inside right now because it's a surprise. Alright? Yeah. So, if there's other people that we're buying for, we gotta wait until we give them their surprise souvenir. Mussels? Yeah. Skewered mushrooms? Mussels? Let's just say it's a nice. Go for it. Alright, you go inside. So the rest of our group, or a lot of the people from our group went out to another island to do some zip lining and I think some other boat activities. We decided to just stay over here, walk around, enjoy the sunshine and nice scenery. Oh, right over there. Go on, let's check it out. Let's go look inside here. Oh wow. Lots and stuff. Oh my goodness, lots of stuff in here. I might have to wait outside. It's, yeah, pretty crowded in here, pretty low hanging stuff. I got this big old hat on. Huh? How many times have I done that? Alright, well we'll take a look at this for a minute and we'll come back. Okay, well, yeah, I think we got enough souvenirs for the Princesa slash underground river area. Yeah, that's cool. It's pretty nice though. Real nice area. Make sure you come out here if you're ever in Palawan. Do the underground river tour. It's worth it, for sure. Our departure time from here is 2 o'clock. Walk out here real quick. So what, this area, we call this what, the wharf? Yep, this is it. It's where you catch your boat to go out there. You should head out that way. That's where we were earlier, and then back around that corner. Okay guys, we call it good. There's really not much else to see that we haven't already seen. So with that being said, thanks for watching again, and we will catch you on the next one. Alright guys, have a good one. See you soon.